Where's the most expensive place that businesses like us can pay to get a customer? Google. Now, why is that? It's that way for a lot of reasons. It's policy. Is Google does not want us type of businesses doing marketing on their platform. They don't like lead generation. They're an information-based search engine. So if you hide information from them, they feel that that hurts their business experience. And so it becomes very challenging for us and most people to do well on Google, okay? Facebook is a lot more lenient, and we've seen the good in that. We've also seen the bad in that, right? We've seen Cambridge Analytica, but we also see the ability for people like you and me to pitch a book about how to make a bunch of money online that's pure lead gen, that's essentially free plus shipping, which is somewhat deceptive as an advertiser, as an advertisement, right? And they're okay with it. But Facebook is also very expensive, not quite as expensive as Google, but extremely expensive to acquire a customer. Now, what about other forms of acquiring a customer? You say, well, Jason, I can go and negotiate banner ad buys. And I can go and get my thing in affiliate networks, CPA, cost per action networks. And I could do private email drops. And there's 1,000 other ways you can drive traffic online. And I recommend that you don't shut yourself out to those types of traffic. But what's the problem with them? What is the benefit of something like a Facebook? Or what is the benefit of something like a Google or even Amazon ads, who is quickly becoming the third biggest advertising property in the world? What's the benefit of that? Scalability. That's the benefit. I don't have to negotiate an insertion order every single time. I literally can go on Facebook today, push a couple buttons, and 5 minutes later I can have an ad running. It's made to order. It's turnkey. And so that's the downside of not using a Facebook or Google. I mean, that's the upside of using a Facebook or Google. The downside is you're paying a lot more for that service and that privilege. So instead of getting upset, so Jim Rohn says something that always sticks with me. He says his mentor Earl Shore says to him, don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. I feel like most of you and most of the people I'm seeing on the internet today, they wish online advertising was easier. And I always say, let me just get better. Because there are people out there that are killing it on Facebook, wouldn't you agree? And again, the most commonality between them is a book. So that's the only reason I wrote this book.